Hello, good day everyone. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Tarani, daughter of Vijayan, with a metric number of MC250132909. So now, let's get started with our introduction. In the conscious of growing need for environmentally responsible practices, we introducing our sustainability packaging initiative designed specially for local F&B businesses. We are currently in the prototype phase and our focus is to develop quality and eco-friendly packaging which helps to reduce environmental issues, meet consumer expectation, sanitation concern, cost-effective minimalist which is minimalist packaging, and also educate customer regarding our material that we used by scanning QR code and to claim their rewards. Through this initiative, we propose a prototype which is affordable, compostable, and suitable for small local F&B businesses. Our problem statement are small local F&B businesses need affordable, sustainable packaging to minimize plastic waste while keeping food quality and hygiene. So, we have come up with our minimalist packaging design which helps to reduce environmental pollution and waste.
Hi, I'm Shikwati Izzati binti Badru Hisham. We'll present our prototype description about lunchbox container, food and beverage in industry. Some of the features include road and thicks. As a resistant straight because the original material is recycled. There are small spot which is dark spot from ink stain or fibers that have seeped into the surface of the packaging base. I recommended that any food trader place a pad under the surface such as banana leaf to prevent food oil from penetrating. Light and easy to decompose. It is light but not slippery, easy to destroy either by burning or planting. Biodegradation test, control of decomposition, test within a certain period. As is known, in the test usually within a year or less because its biodegradability helps reduce waste accumulation and contributes to a safer, cleaner, and healthier environment. So, when we speak about the function, the community is ready to learn about the existing convenience of paper box packaging, which is very flexible because it provides convenience for user to carry and most users realize the advantage of this packaging, especially in terms of healthy environment care. So, for the first thing is a single-use limit. This packaging is only used once, then discarded to reduce the risk of cross contamination. Protecting food hygiene from dust, dirt, bacteria, and direct contact that can cause contamination. Traders also strive to maintain hygiene in food packaging. Okay, so storing the packaging food helps store food safely and maintain quality, with freshness and original taste, such as food staying warm for longer. Providing a cleaner and sealed packaging by using the design reduce exposure to the environment, ensuring food remains clean. Environmentally friendly packaging by using biodegradable or recyclable material. Reducing the impact of the environment. This is related to single use because paper packaging box are easily to decompose either through plants or burn. More cost efficient and readily available, low production cost and easy to obtain in the market, sustainable for business use and daily customer. The use of paper box or package is widespread in the business sector such as in restaurant and bakeries. Okay, I will proceed with our sketch of our prototype. Okay, this is our prototype, which is sustainability packaging for local food and beverage. We have allocated the portion for both drink and food. The container has two compartments, which is one is larger for food and one is smaller for drink. The design allows customers to carry both drink and food together, which reduce using multiple package. For drink compartment, the smaller compartment section is two-place drink which is secured with a spoon and cup. This design ensure both food and drink are separate which avoid contamination. Okay, for food compartment, the main compartment is spacious enough to hold a meal like rice, noodles and slide. The walls are clearly structured, possibly with recycled or biodegradable material to support eco-friendliness. For portable handle, a built-in handle at the top makes it easy to carry the whole package with one hand, ideal for takeaway and delivery.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurkamisha binti Morshidi and my student number is MC2501337 and 58. So today I'm going to talk about the tools that we use for our sustainable packaging prototype. To bring our idea to life, we use mix of physical materials and digital tools, which were chosen based on affordability, accessibility, and the sustainability impact. So, let's start with the physical materials. We use recycled craft paper as the main packaging base because it is biodegradable and cost-effective. Then we include the eco-friendly adhesive and ink and QR code stickers that allows customers to scan and access educational content or claim a reward. For an optional features, we also explored bioplastic window film, which is compostable and help keep the foods visible while staying eco-conscious. So, moving on to the digital tools, we use Canva to design our packaging visuals with a minimalist look. Google Form was helpful to collect feedback from users during the testing phase, and we generate scannable QR codes using a QR code generator and Google Drives to help us store files and collaborate smoothly as a team. For the development, we use Figma to draft wireframes and layout placement, especially for the QR code positioning. We also use Adobe Illustrator to polish our branding design, and finally PowerPoint to compile and present everything you are seeing today. So for this slide, I'm going to talk about why did we choose these tools. Our main reason was accessibility. All these tools are either free or very affordable, which makes them ideal for both students like us and local F&B business owners. Secondly is they support our sustainable goals. We wanted tools that helps us to reduce waste, improve customer awareness, and enable smooth design interactions. And for us, the impact of these tools was huge. They allowed us to visualize an eco-friendly, functional packaging prototypes, educate customers using the QR features, gather direct feedback from users, and collaborate effectively as a team, even it is online. Overall, these tools help us to deliver a prototype that supports responsible consumptions in line with SDG 12, while keeping everything simple, scalable, and sustainable.
Hi, I am Adelaide Ping. I would like to discuss about our final proposed solution, introducing our sustainable packaging starter kit designed for local food and beverage entrepreneurs. Firstly, a stock of compostable containers, cup, and packaging. Second, create templates for branding and QR codes. After that, availability of a digital platform that informs seller and consumers regarding sustainability. And lastly, printable teaching resources to encourage proper disposal techniques.
How does sustainability packaging in local F&B supports SDG 12? Firstly, by reducing waste and encouraging more responsible consumption. Small local F&B can reduce the amount of non-degradable waste by using environmentally friendly options like compostable containers, paper straws, and so on. Next, customer awareness and promoting responsible behavior in small local F&B. Customers are more aware of the effects of using plastic food packaging, so we encourage customers to bring their own containers. Ultimately, by boosting the local green economy, small F&B companies can support local manufacturing, lower transportation-related emissions, and promote the expansion of environmentally friendly sectors by using local packaging suppliers. Last but not least, local F&B companies who use sustainable packaging techniques accomplish more than just cutting down on plastic waste. They make public areas cleaner, empower and educate consumers. We have conducted a test and evaluations on our sustainable packaging prototype to ensure the quality and effectiveness. This process has mainly focused on a few aspects whereby firstly, environmental performance. We have examined and searched about the material that we use to create our prototype. We use materials that can be disposed easily, biodegradable and safe material. Secondly, consumer acceptance. We conduct a survey to collect feedbacks from consumer to acknowledge the prototype's quality, design and material we used, which help us to evaluate our prototype's advantage and disadvantage. Next, functional performance. We have tested our prototype, which is food packaging under real use. We have tested both drinks and food, whether the packaging can be filled with oily food, heavy, and various types of foods and drinks. In result, the prototype has been successfully held various types of foods and drinks without any leaks and good strength. Last but not least, operating impact. We noticed that the cost is slightly higher than the usual plastic container. However, this does not give any big impact as it helps the sustainability packaging. Other than that, we do also encourage customers to bring their own containers to whoever wants to save their money. So, this is the mind map shows our evaluation whereby we have stated what worked, what could be improved, questions and new ideas. We have also added the Google survey form responses below and for your reference. In conclusion, this project has given us the opportunity to create a sustainable packaging solution for local F&B businesses. Our idea is to initiate a sustainable packaging prototype has been successfully tested. So this initiative do motivate customers to have concern on environmental issue which supports SDG 12. That's all from us. Thank you.